Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you how to polish some stainless steel. I've used this technique on watch crystals, brass, stainless, and even some other metals. So hang tight and we'll get started. So as you can see, these are pretty grody looking stainless collars that go on to bathtub faucets, and I'm putting rouge polishing compound on buffing wheel, and I've just got this mounted on my drill press. Not everybody has a buffing motor, so this is a way to do it, and I will put a link in the description where you can get both rouge and the buffing wheel. But what I'm doing is I'm just buffing this. This is like an 8-inch buffing wheel on my drill press, and I've just put a bolt through the hole and a washer on each side just to keep it tight, and stuck at my drill press. But that's buffing it out. You can see how it's starting to polish it up pretty quick, and sometimes you'll get a little bit of the rouge on there and you can just scrape it off with your fingernail. And I've got 3 of these because there's the hot water, the cold water, and also the shower adjuster. And you can buy the replacement knobs, but the collars aren't as easy to find. Plus, why pay for them if you can get, this stainless polished up on a wheel? So I'm just knocking that down. You can see coming to the rouge, it's kind of building up on there, and I just scrape it off with my thumbnail. So it's getting polished up. Looks pretty good. So here's one that I have already completed, completely polished up, looks brand new. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope that was some good information for you, and I will put a link in the description where you can get the rouge, buffing compounds, and also the buffing wheel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do so, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.